2101. It's 9. What is 1012? What? It is 1012. Okay, let's do this very quickly, then we can proceed. All right, your turn. Let's start from here. Your turn. It's fine.
You can play here.
I played here.
Dad.
So what, Telo? I'm the coach. I've played in.
It's only one move.
Fine. Okay. Now you defend the position. Yeah, you do.
I defend.
Yes, you defend the position. It's your turn.
And I know what you've taught me.
Fine. Yeah. Your turn. Why did you move away instead of taking a position? Okay, this is a losing move. This is a draw. Okay? Why did you forget and move away? And make way for the king. You're trying to stop this king from coming. You did an amazing job all the way until this move, which then loses the game because you have to stop this king. The moment you move away, this guy becomes a queen. Alright? That's why I was moving back and forth because you knew the plan and you're doing an amazing job. Okay, very last thing we are doing. I've seen it's 10. Aya, make a queen. Pawn. Not this one. No. Make a queen. This was a mistake because you didn't pay attention. I played here. If you play here, I will take opposition. Can you play the correct move? Really? Don't look at me. I know what you're trying to do. You're trying to see if I'm going to play.
I'm trying to go to sleep. I'm trying my
Good night, sunshine.
time.
Good job, good job. Alright, I think you got it. Yeah.
What?
Yeah, good night.
It's 10:12 again.
It is. Good night, sunshine.
I get to run to the morning. Very
Bye.
close to morning.
It's very close to morning.
Very close to
Good
morning.
night. Bye.
I like that. That's like pink. What? I don't know. Ugly is not fair.
What is not fair?
Ah.
It is not fair.